Getting to know your Electrolux single-door refrigerator is easy. Before operating for the first time, make sure to clean the inside of your refrigerator. See Care and Cleaning in your Use and Care manual for more instructions. To ensure safe food storage, allow the refrigerator to operate with the door closed for at least 8 hours before loading it with food. Now let's set up your appliance. Your single-door refrigerator display is located in the cabinet below the upper drawer. Press the settings icon to illuminate the rest of the display panel. After 10 seconds of no interaction, the icons will fade. To enable or disable the refrigerator display, press and hold the lock icon for 3 seconds. Remember, while locked, no changes can be made to the display. Press plus or minus to change the temperature setting on the refrigerator display. Temp FC allows you to switch between Fahrenheit and Celsius. Your refrigerator has many features to explore. The Chill Boost feature cools food faster. We recommend turning this on before grocery shopping. Simply press the Chill Boost button to toggle this feature on/off. The air filter helps keep your refrigerator and food fresh. The status light will illuminate when it's time to replace the filters. Reset the alert by pressing and holding air filters. For more information on changing these filters, watch the air filter video. The water filter helps keep your water fresh and clean. The water filter also has a status light that will illuminate when it is time to replace it. After replacing your water filter, reset the alert by pressing and holding water filter. For more information on changing your filter, watch the water filter video. Note: always prime the water supply after water filter replacement. The illuminated water dispenser LED means the internal water dispenser is on. When the water dispenser is off, you cannot dispense water. You will hear a beep if you try to press the paddle without the water dispenser being turned on. The internal water dispenser is mounted on the left-hand side of the interior wall. Begin using your water dispenser by pushing the nozzle to fully extend it. Then, place a cup against the paddle and push to dispense water. Make sure to lock your dispenser by pushing the nozzle back to its original position. Before using the water dispenser for the first time, or after changing the water filter, you must prime your water supply system. Begin by pushing the nozzle and pressing a cup against the dispenser paddle. Keep the cup in this position until the water comes out of the dispenser. It may take up to 1.5 minutes. Continue dispensing water for a few minutes to flush the system of any impurities. Your TasteLock Plus Crisper with Auto-Humidity control uses smart crisper technology to remove excess moisture and block out dry air to help prevent your produce from spoiling. It's important to make sure you're replacing the PureAdvantage Produce Keeper filter every 6 months to ensure your produce stays fresh. For more information, see filter replacement in your Use and Care manual. Refrigerator running continuously? Your appliance is equipped with an energy-efficient variable speed compressor. These compressors actually save energy by running more frequently. Popping or cracking sound when the compressor runs? This is normal. These sounds are caused by the refrigerator's internal components as they expand and contract with temperature changes, or by the circulation of the refrigerant that's used to cool the refrigerator. Keeping your refrigerator clean helps maintain its appearance and freshness. We recommend turning off the power to clean the entire unit twice a year. You can clean your refrigerator with warm, soapy water. With your new single-door refrigerator all set up, you can start enjoying a more delicious and sustainable lifestyle. For more information and tips, reference your Use and Care manual or visit us online on the Electrolux website. For better living, Electrolux.